Hey guys, Nicole here, and of course this is another update for North Grove Hills. 99.9% sold. But the good news is kasi minsan may nakikita ako nagko-comment dito guys about Block 14. Okay, I'm gonna show you Block 14. Meron tayong dalawang block and lot lang na available doon na pwede, for construction. So pwede mong piliin kung may part doon, slot doon na pang oakwood lang, at may slot din doon na pwede yung redwood tsaka aspen. I'm gonna send you like yung sample computation niya guys, okay? And at the same time, a little stroll na rin around the area, okay? So let's go guys. And this is online reservation, first come first serve. 99.9% sold, so you have to contact me as soon as possible. But first, enjoy this update. So here we go guys, we're gonna go first to block 22. I'm gonna show you the redwood, so we're just gonna go straight. This is the main road of our subdivision, which is 12-meter wide road. Napakaluwag po niyan guys. We have complete amenities here, okay, like swimming pool, 1.4 hectare, tree park, and so many more. So si block 22, okay, natin si redwood. So we're just gonna drive straight. So napakarami na po talagang nakatayo dito guys. Tsaka marami na rin nakalipat. May internet na nga rin eh, balita ko. Yan. Ganda oh. Ganda. Ito aspen to. Ganda ng mga bahay. Yan. So soon mas marami na kayo makikita dyan. May mga nagpa-gate and fence. Guys, alam nyo tanghaling tapat ngayon. Nakita nyo ba yung mountain range na yan? There is overlooking mountain ranges po dito sa may North Grove Hills. So yan. Clubhouse, etc. Yan. And sa tree park, okay? So, kapantay niya. So, ito si 21. Tapos ito si 22. Okay. So, we're gonna go, guys. Go to the left. And then, I'm gonna show you. And then, we're gonna go right from here. Kasi, papunta tayo ng block 14, diba? So, right. Dami na nakatayo guys, dami na rin pong nakalipat, nakamove dito po sa may North Grove Hills. So here guys, ang block 14 along right to the right here. Block 14 is along perimeter fence. Marami na pong mga nagpapagawa dito. Ayan, kita nyo naman guys. So block 14 ito. Ito sa side na to, yung perimeter fence. So, kapag dito po, si block 14, nag-iisa lang po yung ating open na oakwood, okay? So, isa lang yung oakwood at pinapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang sample computation. For construction po siya, itatayo pa lang kaya hindi kailangan ng cash out. Pwede po ang installment, 0% interest. Ayun dito, may nagpa-gate na po dito. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayo dito guys, sa part ng block 14 na to. Ito, block 14 pa rin yan. Okay, we're just gonna go straight. Yung mas malapit-lapit na po guys sa entrance, yan, because if you go straight there, that's already entrance gate, right? So here guys, for the block 14 pa rin, I know may ginagawa dyan guys. So block 14, tas entrance gate na po yan dyan, diba guys? So we have one redwood available and one aspen available. So isa lang yung slot na yun na available. Pipili ka kasi kung redwood ba yung gusto mong itayo doon or aspen. So pag redwood guys, ito kasi si block 14, pag redwood yung gusto mong itayo, showing on the screen yung kanyang sample competition. For construction ha, itatayo pa lang, kaya 0% interest po yung down payment, no need to have a big cash out. Pero kung gusto mo guys na itayo na kaagad yung bahay mo, pwede mong i-cash yung down payment, minimum 10%, pwede rin 20% para may discount, okay? So kung gusto mo naman guys aspen yung itayo, ayan siya sa screen, yung sample competition ni aspen, okay? Same thing, no cash out, pwedeng installment. Unless gusto mong mabilis itayo yung bahay mo, mag-cash ka ng down payment na minimum 10%. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas malaking discount, may discount ka talaga, mag 20% or higher cash DP ka para may less 7% discount payable within 7 days upon reservation. Okay guys? So ngayon po guys, ayan na, no filter, napakaganda po, napakamaulap at maaraw pa ngayong oras na ito. At almost sold out na tayo. Marami na pong nakatira sa North Grove Hills. This is first come first serve guys. And we have complete amenities in the project. Thank God naman, no? Kasi wala no history of flood for North Grove Hills. At syempre, accessible tayo. Highly accessible. Parehong Bukawi exit at saka Philippine Arena exit. Tapos, 25 minutes drive to Star Mall. San Jose del Monte, kasi bounded din siya ng San Jose. Accessible na siya sa MRT7, sa SM San Jose, at saka 15 to 20 minutes lang siya sa Walter Mart. Actually, after this, papunta nga ako doon, or kami doon, diba guys? So, guys, this is 99.9% sold, at dahil paunahan lang, you have to contact me as soon as possible sa aking Viber WhatsApp number, always showing on the screen. At kung ang gamit mo naman ay Messenger, ayan siya guys. Follow me, message lang ako, just mention Redwood or Aspen or Oakwood or whatever model or North Grove para masend ko kagad sa yung mapa. 70% of my clients here are OFW. Online reservation po talaga ang process dito. Kaya nakapag-secure sila ng slot, nauna sila kasi mabilis sila eh. Initial lang naman yung requirements, diba guys? Like your ID, proof of income, yun ang pinaka-importante din guys. Alright? So if you have any other questions at kung nasa Pilipinas ka lang naman, gusto mong mag-tripping, okay, sige, mag-schedule tayo at least 1 to 2 days before. And for anything else, just contact me, and don't forget, of course, to hit like and subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.